Welcome to Avyakti Parivar, 25th today. Daivi Sanskar, Daivi Sansar, complete Nirvikari, incorporeal. We'll listen to Sister Mohini now.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
हम लोग सभी जब बाबा के पास आए
When we all came to Baba,
बाबा मनुष्य को देवता बनाते हैं।
Baba always says, Baba makes human beings to deity.
हम सभी ने जो
And when we got this aim, we accepted this.
क्योंकि अपना अनुभव यही कहता है।
Our experience says that
बचपन में मैं अपने लिए तो कह ही सकती हूँ,
we all in the childhood, I can say for myself,
उसका कनेक्शन कहीं नहीं बनता था।
we were remembering God, but there was no connection with Him.
जो कुछ करना है हम
In the world, in the practical form, we kept doing it,
दिव्यता को
but it never happened that that divinity, that sustenance,
के बारे में
no one actually thought about that. Or whenever we came to Baba, as Baba says, like you became in the last Kalpa, the one who made you, they will have touching this time also, that we have to become deity again. So we all got that touching. Otherwise, it looks like impossible. Those deities whose remembrance is there in the temples, we never thought that we can become such a highly status deities. I saw that it came big transformation. I was doing worshipping the idols, and then I understood that this is the form that we are going to become. So how can we do the puja or worshipping of the idols now? So the aim is very high, but we have to remember that we became earlier 5,000 years back, and every kalp we became. So when we remember this aim, goal, whatever we are doing, and we are understanding that how in Satyug there will be 16 celestials completeness. When we go to golden age, we will not become 16 celestials complete. So we have to do at confluence age. So Baba is teaching us, but individual dharana is very important. So we have to become 16 celestial, whether we call it purity, all the way we have to become complete. Whatever we do with love. Whatever we do with proper arrangements. So such virtues emerges when we keep attention. Today we will think about we are actually practicing soul consciousness, but we also keep attention of remaining viceless. When we work on that in a big form, we have already resolved, but at subtle level, sometimes in the form of reaction, provocation, vice gets activated. So we do not experience complete viceless or incorporeal stage. So there should not be even trace of any vice. So we want deity samskar, deity nature, but old samskar gets emerged. or when old samskar gets emerged, our thoughts, words, and actions are created based on that. So deity samskars or nature gets merged. So we have to ensure that old samskar should not get emerged, not body consciousness, not attachment.
तक है अंदर
So now we experience that there are two types of samskars always, old and deity. So if we want deity nature to be activated, we have to keep high attention. We take the example of the Brahma Baba, Dadi Prakash Maniji. In their life, we saw divinity. We never saw Brahma Baba. He came into reaction mode. Always Baba used to talk with love and peace. Because when there is purity, there is love. But even small samskar gets emerged because we all know that sometimes it gets disappeared. So Baba says, in golden age, there is no trace of sorrow. So when there is no name of sorrow in the golden age, so why then there is a sorrow at this time for certain matters? So it indicates there are subtle vices in some form. So complete viceless experience. If we can maintain this stage for long time, then deity samskar, deity nature will get activated, emerged, and we will also feel, and we will never feel that it is a very high destination or many virtues required, 16 kala is required. We will not have such feelings. But if we keep attention, then when a whole day we make an effort, at the night we get satisfaction, contentment, because we kept old samskar merged with effort. So sometimes we see that suddenly many thoughts starts coming based on the old samskar. So now when we practice this, our complete viceless nature will emerge. So on the day of Thursday, we keep attention to take the blessing. It's not that only on Thursday, but every day.
और दैवी संस्कार ही मेरे
Or we always remember that I am moving towards my deity nature and will continue using the deity nature. Will become best.